This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Annual furnished or unfurnished available August. Rent in Provence Bay. This stunning 3-bed, 2.5-bath townhome offers 1,508 square feet of stylish living with a 1-car garage, granite countertops, tile backsplash, kitchen island, and tile in living areas with like-new carpet in bedrooms. Spacious rooms, custom walk-in closet, and impact windows for maximum worry-free living. Community pool, playground, bike storage, and sidewalk access to enjoy. Close to beaches, parks, river, restaurants/shopping. Immaculate, move-in ready, and easy to show, furniture negotiable. Other fees and exclusions may apply. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 77.